Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for the start of Croft playoff match number 70 here on field number 2. Both alliances are on the move as from that far launch zone. We have Innovators Robotics joined by Plant Tech as they are collecting those artifacts and attempting to launch them into the goals. Up close in the near launch zone, they are joined by their teammates, Royal Society of Robots and GP Robotics Unity. The Blue Alliance seems to have earned 2 leave points. As we enter the driver-operated stage, we are within about 10 points of each other. This could be anyone's game, and we shall see what is to come. Plant Tech gets an early start as they launch that remaining artifact that they were holding from that far launch zone, while their teammate does the same while emptying that gate. Back on the blue side of things, we have Innovators Robotics joined by their teammate GP Robotics Unity, who are both making use of this near launch zone. Though we will see if this becomes an issue as it gets more congested as we get more into the match. What this means is it leaves Plant Tech to score as much as they like, as they are unblocked in their efforts. Both teams quickly cycling through those ramps, trying to fill up the ramps as much as possible, but also collecting all of the artifacts that they can with the time that they have. With about a minute left in gameplay, we are still at an incredibly close game with Red in the lead. This means the blue team's got to change up their strategy, which sees Innovators Robotics taking their shots from that far launch zone as well. There is though a penalty for that blue line on the field. So we shall see how these penalties shake out as we reveal the scores later. Nearing the final 30 seconds of gameplay, these teams have a choice to make. Will the Red Alliance fill up their ramp and leave it full, only score an overflow, or will they empty it? It looks like they have made their choice and they're gonna leave it full. Now, we see the Blue Alliance continuing to score. We have seen one of our first raises of the day with the red teams in a stack sharing that launch zone, with the 2 blue teams partially sharing it as we conclude qualifier match number 70.
It is Red Alliance with a score of 292 points. Now, let's get back to match 72. We got in the Red Alliance